Isang pakiusap lang po namin, sana po wala munang spoilers. Huwag niyo pong sasabihin na hindi ka aabangan po kami sa labas. Huwag niyo po munang sabihin kasi, magagalit po sila sa Twitter.
Alright. Ba't ganyan kayo? Anyway, as a director yourself, Bella, I wonder if masaya ka ba sa ending ng dalawa yung resolution ng relationship nila JC, ni Fidel at saka ni Stella. Would you have rather have it ended differently, or do you think na mas in character siya for the both characters, for Stella and Fidel?
I answered someone online about this. Sabi ko, this is the perfect ending for this film. I really love this ending kasi they both won as people. Si Fidel finally got the recognition he deserves, and Stella finally fought all her demons. They both are so whole in the end. So now when they meet again, and hopefully single pa silang dalawa pag nag-meet sila ulit, kaya na nilang harapin yung isa't isa ng maayos. Kasi buong tao sila nung natapos tong movie na to. So nahanap nila parehas kung sino sila without each other. Kaya ang importante lahat ng eksena. Kasi kahapon nung pinanood namin, nagtanong pa ako kay Lemon. I asked Lemon, yung scene namin ni Carl, yung kabanda ko dati sa Tampururot, sabi ko, kailangan ba yung scene na yun? Although I love the whole scene, I love Carl's acting, and Carl's such a nice person, I also feel like he adds so much nostalgia to the film because nandun siya sa isang tangtula. But then na-realize ko, it's the first time Stella's asking for help and advice from someone na hindi siya romantically involved with. So sabi ko, yes, kailangan nga yung eksena na yun. So si Fidel then finally got recognition from such a big audience. Hindi mga peers niya lang sa school. These are strangers na, kung napansin yung eksena kanina, sabay-sabay nagtaas ng cellphone na, they were finally shining a light on him. Like they finally got what they both deserve. So it's really the perfect ending. And, we had so many questions on set. Ang dami namin, parang hindi naman sasabihin ni Stella to, hindi naman sasabihin ni Fidel to. But Jason Paul Laksamana knows what he's doing. Like, you really have to trust that he knows what he's doing. Thank you.
JC, ikaw?
Sumagot ka. Favorites, di ba?
Hindi, kasi naalala ko lang sinabi ni Direk Jason Paul, kung nandito siya ngayon, pagtatanggol niya to, sinasabi niya na,
Akala ko nandito siya.
Direk!
Mamaya makakasama natin siya.
Hindi daw to love story sa kanya.
I disagree.
So, may expound siya dun eh. So, hindi lang ako sure kung ano yung ibig niya sabihin. Para sa kanya, hindi ito love story. So,
ayun. Thank you. Invite na lang natin everyone to spread the word. Watch again.
Media conference to, hindi naman to vloggers conference. Nandito lahat ng familiar faces. Grabe naman. Yes, thank you sa lahat ng mga naka-raise na cellphone ngayon. I know, ito na yung strength nyo. Please help us spread the word. Palabas na po kami sa September 10. At sa lahat ng mga nanood noon, noong 2017, iniimbitahan po namin ulit kayo na panoorin ito. At please tell your friends and family. Isandang awit para kay Stella.
Thank you so much. Isang pakiusap lang po namin, sana po wala munang spoilers. Huwag niyo pong sasabihin na hindi ka aabangan po kami sa labas. Huwag niyo po munang sabihin kasi, magagalit po sila sa Twitter. Thank you so much.
We can have like a one photo off together.
Yeah.
As a whole